has taken time, but no one raises up the gospel to be poor. But this is the time to banga. There is something which is not yours. On this earth you don't have a piece of land. There is a land, not even a piece of land. There are some acres of land which you expect you say, I cannot be with this. I cannot have it. You also your blood think of such a when you see this is impossible. The God who took the slaves who were in Egypt and then went off in the desert and put them in Canaan. Got the 7 nations and then gave them to the slaves. You slave doesn't believe in yourself. Things you cannot get. God is going to give Kkiriza Katonda. Believe God. Come on. That is good. Towakanyanga Mwoyo Mutukuvu. Never resist the Holy Spirit. Towakanyanga. Never resist Him. Wakanyanga. Never and never. Mu buli kimu ky'okola. In everything you do. Kkiriza Mwoyo Mutukuvu awo. Listen up your Holy Spirit too. Kkiriza Mwoyo Mutukuvu akunjuze. Always allow the Holy Spirit to fill you. Tajjuza kibala ekitatulaba. It doesn't feel what He has never felt or been feeling. Mwana Katonda. Child of God. Okyabuzaalibwa since you're born. Teweerooleza. Never think about yourself. That you had no blessing. It has been. But you didn't know what it is. What is God going to do? Now He's going to hold you.
Hemos sendo